Hello, good morning. Time check, 7:50 na po ng umaga. Ayan. So, off po tayo ngayon, pero magwo-work po tayo mamaya gabi. Dahil nag-take ng day off ang aking kaibigan at dahil birthday nga niya today. So, happy birthday sa aming kaibigan na isa. Morning, Lord. Yan. So, pero mamaya, busy po kami. Dahil kami ay pupunta sa school ng mga bagets. Gising na yung aking Diyosawa.
What?
Oh, I'm talking to myself.
Talking to that furry-headed guy over there?
So,
You
yeah.
got a robot boyfriend?
I like this very little.
That's that camera?
Yeah, look at you. Guys, gumagawa po siya ng breakfast. Ayan.
Crazy, yeah.
Yung breakfast niya, cereal, tapos minsan nag-egg po yan siya. Meron kasing orientation ng mga bata. I will wake up the kiddos like 7:40. Kasi alis kami, dapat ando na kami before 9. First kasi kay Cassandra, and then pagkatapos kay Kuya naman. Love you too. Okay, I'm gonna make my coffee.
Oh.
Toasted, kuan? Mabasag yung ano ko guys, yung favorite kong cup. Yung hot mama cup.
They got it, but different. I make this every day. I've been doing it forever.
That's what I said. That's
I've
good.
made me breakfast in 10 years.
I'm busy, my love. Jeez. Siyempre, work tayo, no? Kailangan. Pasize kaya ng umaga tayo. Tapos lutuan pa natin siya lang. So, mamaya na lang ulit mga guys. Watch! Bobo, look. It's following me. Mamaya na lang guys. Hi guys, andito na kami sa school ni Kasi. Orientation, here it is. So, saglit lang ito guys, hopefully. Kasi
So that's,
kukuha kami ng
holy
books.
mackerel. That's why I
And
wanted to come early, see?
Uniform.
Oh, it don't matter.
Tapos ito yung school guys, pakita natin.
You always mess it up.
Ayan. Tun tun tun. Yan yung school.
Good luck, Chuck.
Grabe yung school nila, no? Parang parang mga container ba? Anyway, mga rooms po yan dyan, mga guys. Yaw-yaw na siya, guys.
No, can't. Just
So, let's
mom's got to
find...
be with her because mom's got to
Hanap siya ng parking and then we're gonna go inside the school.
parent.
We're going to have even more people than this that are here right now. So we're not going to start here in the gym. We're actually going to start out in our quad, and you'll see our quad when we leave here today. So go ahead and write that down, August 13th.
Ng orientation. So, pick up na kami ng books. Andun si asawa ko. Ayan. Laki ng school nila dito, guys. So first thing first will be books. Kunin natin yung books. Ito yung ano. Is this where you guys gonna have lunch or no? It's like cafeteria. So that's good for now kay we can't really vlog kay so many students here. Let's go guys.
Huh? Right here? Or you go inside?
Ganito magpa-enroll dito sa Amerika. Tingnan niyo ang pila. Ang haba ng pila. Doon pa yan magkuha kami ng Chromebook. Parang Pinas. Let's go. Ang haba ng pila guys. Finally, done with her Chromebook guys. Somebody's calling you. Your name. Okay. Nakuha na po niya yung kanyang Chromebook. Daming pila para lang Philippines. Anyway, kasi sa Philippines, diba, para lang din siya nag-enroll mga guys. Kaya lang, enroll na sila, kinukuha lang yung mga staff. Where are we going?
What do you want to get?
Well, the next one will be her uniform.
Is that it?
Why
Or-
is it uniform?
Books?
That's getting those.
The uniform. So, we have to go in line for the books. It's right. Oh, that's PE. Wait lang guys ha.
Jeez.
It's okay. I
I'm
mean,
saying I know, bro. I just got here.
it's okay. You got this. I know you're anxious for the hill. May I help you carry that one? That way you can focus on the schedule. Where we're gonna get the books? That's the big question. Oh, in the other side, Ken. We get the books.
Where?
How about in the other? Buying clothes. PE clothes. Another pila. Pila-pila. Ang init. Pagkatapos nito, punta kami sa store. For 2 sets. Ayan. $50 lang naman. Dito na naman namin pick upin. Tara guys. Okay, let's go in line. Right here goes the line. Another pila. She needs to be at the bus stop on the first day of school. How can she go?
She can go on the bus without a bus stop on the first week.
Okay. Got it. Let's go. So guys, na-confuse akong bigla. But anyway. So, pauwi na muna kami mga guys. And it's going to be Kuya's turn para enroll na po namin siya sa actual school. Malayo nag-park sa asawa guys. So, ganito yung ano dito sa Amerika. Paaralan, no? Maganda mga guys. Not bad. Yan. Where you park, sir? What? Oh yeah, I like that one. This BMW. Oh, that's nice, but I would like to have white and black. No. I think I like the BMW. Looks better. Charot lang guys. Wala ito may pera guys. Char na mga guys. Oh, I don't want that. That pangit. I don't like that. That's pangit. But anyway mga guys, tara na. Pagkatapos nito mga guys, punta na po kami sa tingnan namin if we can go to the store first and then have lunch. We'll see, or go home first, or we'll see. See you later. Nandito kami ngayon guys. Tingin tayo ng mga sapatos dito. Baka may magustuhan sila dito. Isa sa magandang store. Okay. Just want like all. Alright.
Or like a design.
Okay.
Actually happy. I got culinary.
Alright, I'm glad. I'm happy for you.
And they asked, like, there was a way you can message me to ask, and that's not my final process. Those are not my final.
Oh, okay.
because those are only quiet.
Ang daming mga sapatos dito, guys. See. Shoes. Mga nice kasi yung mga ano nila dito, guys. Mga nice brands. Ito talaga yung mga original brands. Which I prefer kasi nga ang mga bata. Especially sa shoes. Well, if you like something, you can actually just grab. Let's see where's Dad. Ayan, mga gaganda ang mga shoes nila dito. Oh, like that? But you have to go to the big, right on the other side. Yes.
Oh, this is mine.
Well, oh, there you go. Which one are you?
Yeah.
Make sure the Velcro.
We found the perfect.
Smile, Gabe. Gabriel, look. Look. Okay. Is that the one you want? That's nice. Let's see. Look, show me. Bili kami ng shoes.
You know what? You know what I want? I want rock shoes.
Oh, really?
Like I can go to the moon.
Bili kami ng
you like
shoes.
those?
Yeah. Make him try it. Size 4.
You like this one or those?
Medyo mahal siya, guys, but it's
These
very
are
nice
super
brand.
nice. Oh, I like it.
Yeah, I think that's good one. Or maybe the black? No? The black?
Like this one?
What do you think, Gabe?
What about this one?
The lid?
Hello, Day. Ah! Wala. Naami diri karon na malit mig ano. Wale.
These.
So, ayun na, guys. Naano na niya yung shoes na yan.
That's where I get the base over
Okay, let's just wait for Gabriel. Make sure he
there.
get
They
his.
got Adidas, or they got Vans, or they got Nikes.
Alright. At yung final na nabili nila. Here, show me your shoes kasi. Ayan yung nabili ni Cassandra, guys. Come on. It's pretty. Oh, pink one. For you, kuya. Show me your shoes. Oh, isa lang muna, guys. Kaya wala pa kaming budget. Tag-isa lang silang pares.
You don't even have to tie them.
Ito naman kay Gabriel, guys. So, final shoes niya. Ayan. Ayan. Maganda. Show me your shoes. Show me your shoes. Alright. Wow. Look at your shoes. Very nice. Dito niya kinuha, guys. Ayan. Sa mga, ano, Air Max Jordan, whatever. So,
57 on one.
bayaran muna natin, guys. Where?
Then we have it.
Can we go see?
Put it in the box.
Let's go. Meron daw nakita si Kuya dito na ano, guys, na pants na gusto niya. It's on sale, so. Okay, what's the size of those? What's the size? Huh? No, can't. You gotta make sure it's your size. Huh? Oh yeah, try it on. Help me. Okay, go. It's on sale, so why not? She just want to be pretty. Even though you are pretty. Happy?
Sure.
Guys, we are gonna go home now finally. Broke na naman tayo, mga guys. Laban lang. It's always broke.
Why do you?
Pag back to school shopping.
Oh,
Anyway, meron po silang pa-coupon, mga guys. This is perfect. Kasi meron akong shoes I wanted to buy. But that's gonna start on September 8. And then maybe I can buy you one more and Cassandra one more and give her one more. So may coupon, guys, and it's a good thing. So tara na, guys. Uwi na muna siguro kami. We will see. Tago muna natin tong coupon, guys. This coupon because September 8 pa siya. Gagana ang coupon. It's like $100 coupon. Wow. Let's go, guys.
so how much did you save?
We didn't.
Dito kami ngayon sa Chinese food. Sama ko aking Junakis. Kudang. Bili kami ng kudang. Hi! You go first. So we're gonna be doing 4 2-entry plate. Please, you go first.
Can I get all chow mein?
Chow mein, chow mein. Tada. Yummy. You don't know. Makikagakot. Tara guys, tapos na kami ni Kuya. Nakabili na kami ng pagkain. Ayan. Diyan kami sa favorite store namin guys. Woo! Fresh walk. So tara, uwi na po kami mga guys. Nakakuha na kami ng foodang. And then, we're gonna relax and come back later for Ken's appointment naman sa school. So let's go guys. Hi guys! So, hindi na ako nakapag-vlog kanina. Pumunta kami sa school pala ni Kuya mga guys, no? And yun na nga, giswitch siya from online school to actual school na talaga mga guys. And then kumuha din sila ng kumuha kami ng ano ba tawag nito, ng uniforms din nila. Same din as Cassandra, and then nag-orient din siya kasi mag-isa na lang siya. Tapos mga guys, umuwi kami, and then nag-finish ako ng lunch ko, and then I took a nap, and then right now I am here. Work mga guys, work po si Ma'am Shi, and wala namang ganap, so dito ko na lang muna i-end ang aking vlog, and thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe guys, and comment na din kayo sa baba. So bye for now.